Now I'm going to show you how we make our Italian baked breakfast with meatballs. Let's start. First of all, we take our lovely plate here and we use 1 scoop of our tomato sauce, even all the way along. After that, we're going to crack 4 eggs. There's 1. 2. 'And the final 1. Now, if you happen to make a little bit of a mess, no problem. Don't forget the golden rule, clean as you go. Now, 4 meatballs will go in. Doesn't matter in which order. A little bit of salt and pepper. So half a sachet of each, as well as a sprinkling of oregano. Just before we bake it in the oven, we'll do 10 grams of freshly grated parmesan. Just over the top. Now we're going to bake this for 4 minutes, 350 degrees. So, the meatballs and the eggs are now baked. Now we need to finish this. First of all, cracked black pepper, just over the top for a little bit of additional heat. Garlic oil for those lovely aromatics. Some parmesan, again 10 grams over the top, and that will start to melt straight away. And then again, for aromatics and smell, we're actually going to take some basil. Instead of chopping it, we're just going to actually tear it. So hand tear, 2 to 3 leaves is all you need. And it gives a really amazing, wonderful aroma. And there you are, that's our baked breakfast with meatballs finished.